The kitchen is often called the heart of the home, and rightly so. It's where meals are made, conversations flow, and memories are created. But a truly luxurious kitchen goes beyond just cooking. It's about atmosphere, comfort, and timeless design. The good news is that creating a luxury kitchen doesn't always require a massive budget. Instead, it's about choosing the right materials, colors, and finishes to make your space feel refined and welcoming. In this video, we'll explore 10 designer kitchen ideas that can instantly add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your home. Whether you're renovating completely or just looking for inspiration to refresh your existing space, these ideas will help you create a kitchen that feels effortlessly high-end and beautifully timeless. 1. Choose a neutral base palette. Every luxurious kitchen begins with the right color palette. Neutrals like ivory, warm beige, taupe, and soft gray create an elegant foundation that never goes out of style. These shades make your space feel bright, open, and calming. The perfect backdrop for any design style. A neutral palette also allows your hardware, lighting, and textures to stand out without overwhelming the space. You can add depth by layering tones. Think creamy whites on the cabinets, light grays on the walls, and soft stone hues for the countertops. Together, they create harmony and sophistication that instantly elevate your kitchen. 2. Incorporate high-quality countertops. Countertops are one of the most eye-catching elements in any kitchen, so investing in quality materials truly pays off. Natural stones like marble and granite exude timeless luxury, while quartz offers durability with a high-end look. If you're designing on a budget, even a well-selected laminate with a marble-like finish can give the illusion of opulence. The key is to focus on texture and finish, polished or matte, veined or solid. A stunning countertop not only enhances visual appeal but also brings a sense of craftsmanship to your space. Pairing it with subtle under-cabinet lighting can make the surface glow beautifully in the evenings. 3. Add statement lighting. Lighting can completely transform how your kitchen feels. Think of it as jewelry for your space, subtle but impactful. Pendant lights above your island, a crystal chandelier over the dining nook, or soft recessed lighting can all make a huge difference. Look for metallic tones like brushed gold, bronze, or matte black for that designer touch. Layering your lighting, combining ambient, task, and accent lights, adds depth and mood. A well-lit kitchen doesn't just look better, it feels more welcoming, luxurious, and well thought out. 4. Opt for seamless cabinet design. Modern luxury kitchens are known for their clean lines and smooth finishes. Seamless cabinets with hidden handles or push-to-open mechanisms create a sleek, uncluttered look. High-gloss finishes reflect light beautifully, while matte textures add sophistication. You can choose from wood veneers, lacquered surfaces, or even glass front designs for a softer, more elegant appeal. The goal is to make your cabinetry look integrated and effortless. When everything feels in balance, your kitchen exudes quiet luxury without needing any flashy details. 5. Include a functional kitchen island. A kitchen island is both a statement piece and a practical element. It offers extra workspace, storage, and a spot for socializing. In luxury kitchens, the island often becomes the visual centerpiece. You can elevate it by adding a waterfall countertop, pendant lights above it, or contrasting cabinetry underneath. If space allows, integrate seating to create a cozy breakfast area or an informal dining spot. A well-designed island brings both style and convenience, blending beauty and utility in one perfect piece. 6. Upgrade to integrated appliances. Nothing says luxury like seamless built-in appliances. Instead of bulky refrigerators or visible dishwashers, Integrated designs hide these elements behind cabinetry panels, keeping your kitchen visually calm and elegant. Even smaller appliances like microwaves or coffee machines can be built into the cabinetry to save counter space. Beyond aesthetics, integrated appliances often come with advanced features and smart technology that enhance functionality. The result is a kitchen that looks clean, organized, and undeniably high-end. 7. Use open shelving with style. Open shelving is a great way to introduce personality into your kitchen design. When done right, it can make your space feel open, airy, and sophisticated. Choose floating shelves in natural wood or metal for a contemporary look, and style them with care. Display a few elegant plates, glass jars, or decorative vases, keeping it simple and uncluttered. The trick is to make it look intentional, not crowded. Add some subtle lighting above or below the shelves to highlight your displays and give your kitchen a designer glow. 8. Focus on elegant hardware. Details matter more than you think. Swapping out ordinary handles for elegant hardware can completely change the mood of your kitchen. Choose hardware finishes that complement your overall color palette, like brushed brass for a warm tone, or matte black for a more modern look. Sleek, minimal handles, or even handleless drawers can give a truly designer appearance. These tiny touches are what separate an average kitchen from one that looks custom-made and luxurious. 9. Bring in texture and warmth. Luxury isn't always about shine and perfection. It's also about comfort and depth. Mixing materials and textures adds warmth and richness to your kitchen. For example, pair smooth marble countertops with wooden bar stools or textured backsplash tiles. Add a woven rug near the sink, or introduce greenery with potted herbs on the windowsill. These small details make your kitchen feel alive and inviting while maintaining that designer polish. The combination of tactile and visual textures creates an environment that's elegant but still homely. 10. Add a touch of personalization. Finally, no luxury kitchen is complete without a personal touch. It's what makes your space truly yours. Consider adding a unique backsplash pattern, a piece of wall art, or custom open shelving that displays your favorite cookbooks or ceramics. Even something as simple as matching jars or a signature scent can make your kitchen feel more intentional. The goal is to create a space that feels both luxurious and personal, one that reflects your taste, habits, and personality. That's the secret to timeless design. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more design ideas.